Hello friends, my name is Masood. Today we shall discuss about topic storage in the cloud. Friend, today's topic is very interesting, especially if you have interest in cloud computing and you want to learn about it. So let's start, friend. Friend, first of all, we have to understand that what is basically a concept of cloud. Friend, whenever we talk about cloud, basically we are referring to remote servers at which different services like, for example, storage, software services, platforms, infrastructure. So all those things are available remotely and we are accessing those services through internet. So rather than making all these services on premises, like in your own office, in your own premises, we basically use the remote servers to store, to make a storage, to make services, and through the internet we are using those services. So basically, friend, cloud storage is a service that allows individuals and organizations to store and access their data such as files, documents, images, videos, and more over the internet. Instead of relying on local storage devices like hard devices or servers, cloud storage utilizes remote servers hosted by third-party providers. These servers are part of vast data centers distributed globally. So let's deep dive into this concept. So the key aspects of storage in the cloud are remote servers. Basically, when we talk about remote servers, the cloud storage relies on remote servers maintained by cloud service provider CSP. Uh, these servers are often part of a global network of data centers. Users access their stored data via the internet rather than relying on local hardware. Basically, friend, when we talk about storage means that the storage is available through the remote servers, and these servers are residing in the data centers of different vendors so that we can access it through the internet. Then accessibility means, friend, that the cloud storage provides universal accessibility. Users can access their data from any device, like for example mobile device, laptop, computer, through the internet connection and appropriate authentication. This accessibility is particularly useful for collaboration as multiple users can work on shared files simultaneously. So basically, friend, for example, if a person is sitting in Pakistan or India, he can work on the servers which are available in USA, Canada, Australia, and he can access those servers remotely by using mobile devices through through the internet connection. So it becomes very easier for him to use and store the data. Then scalability means that the cloud storage is highly scalable. Scalability means that users can easily scale up or down based on the storage needs, paying only for the resources they use. Friend, whenever we talk about scalability, basically there is a concept of scalability means that we can increase or decrease the resources based on the load of users. This scalability is crucial for business that experience fluctuating data storage requirements. For example, due to some event, for example you have a event of business, some sale event is there, for example. So due to that reason, the traffic on your site will become heavier, will very high. Okay, so you need more resources in terms of hardware, in terms of processors. So what you can do, you can increase the number of resources. Or for example, there is some event, for example, due to that reason the traffic decrease on your server. So what you can do, you can decrease the hardware resources. Then data redundancy and durability. Friend, cloud storage systems often implement redundancy across multiple servers and data centers. This ensures data durability, reducing the risk of data loss due to hardware failures. Because these are hardware servers, so we can make copy of data on multiple servers. So that reason, if data lost somewhere, so we can recover it from somewhere else or from some other servers. So data is typically stored on multiple locations, providing a backup in case of server failure as well. So this is a technique of backup of data as well. Then security means cloud storage providers implement security measures to protect user data. This may include encryption during data transfer, and at rest multi-factor authentication and access controls are also there. Friend, here the 2FA is also very important, like whenever a person wants to log in, use the access of storage server, so normally he receive OTP on the mobile device, and then he has to enter the OTP to along with the login credential. So this is also an example of 2FA or multi-factor. Users should be aware of the security features provided by their chosen cloud storage provider and take additional steps to secure their data. So OTP is also one example. Other examples are there, like OTP will be received on your email. Some facial access controls are also there. Fingerprint scanning are also there. So many authentications are also nowadays common for along with login credentials for security purpose. Then cost model means cloud storage follows a pay as you go model, where users pay for the storage resources they consume. This is often more cost effective than investing in maintaining on premises storage infrastructure. Here friend, whatever the services you are using, you are only paying for that. That is called as pay as you go model. The cost may include storage space, data transfer, and additional services depending on the provider. Here, friend, for example, you are using for 1 month the storage services, so you are only paying for the 1 month. Okay, so this is very cost effective for users. Then integration with other cloud services means cloud storage is often integrated with other cloud services, facilitating seamless workflows. For example, cloud-based applications can directly access and store data in cloud storage. Many times it happens, friend. For example, a big file you want to transfer to your friend. So what you can do, you can upload that file on the cloud server and simply share the link with your friend or colleague, and he can download the file from the URL. And it through the internet. So it is very easier, and also these cloud services are integrated with each other as well. Then types of cloud storage, friend, cloud storage comes in different types, including object storage, file storage, block storage. Each type serves specific use cases. For example, object storage is suitable for storing large amounts of unstructured data like images and videos as well. Friend, we know that images and videos are by itself are very heavy files. So it's important, it's a good idea to store those files remotely on the remote servers, because it will you don't need to store on premises, and you can use the remote servers for storage. Popular cloud storage providers are various companies provide cloud storage services, including Amazon Web Services AWS with Amazon S3, Microsoft Azure with Azure Blob Storage, Google Cloud Storage, Dropbox, and many others are there. So storage in the cloud offers flexibility, scalability, and accessibility, making it a popular choice for individual, business, and organizations.